reached home. Good morning, besties. How are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm also doing fine. If you're new to this channel, you are most welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. Today's video, I'm going to be doing house chores. First of all, we are going to do unboxing. Do you see this box behind me? We have a hang line. I'm going to be putting it together and then I show you. We are going to be using it to hang clothes. We have one big one that we have been using and we have the smaller ones. So the smaller ones, when you put clothes, they tend to touch the ground. We have now a big one. I'm going to be assembling it with you guys so that you can see. And then after that, I have these clothes that I need to take to the laundry. This one, yesterday I went there. Unfortunately, the owner of this one was not around, so she didn't give it to me to take it. So I'm going to take it today. I have this abaya that I'm going to put a button of this, like this type. This is my boss's abaya. One button is missing. Then I have this white sheet. I don't know how it got torn because we removed it from her bed like that. It was already torn. So I'm going to find a way of how to do it, or if I fail, I will take it to the tailor to do it. Guys, I have good news. Ever since I joined my channel membership, we haven't gotten a member of the channel. 1 week ago, as I was checking on my channel, I found out that we have a new member, you guys. I don't know this person. He's a he. I don't know him, but wherever you are, thank you so much for joining the channel membership. Guys, if you want to join my channel membership, that's how you give back to me for entertaining you, and I will be giving you behind the scenes things that people here don't see. You people would be watching them. I need I get like 5 members, I'll start giving you the behind the scenes. Thanks to this person, wherever you are, I really appreciate you, and this means a lot to me. You are the first person to join my channel membership, and I will never forget this. Guys, if you want to join my channel membership, I don't charge a lot, by the way, so I'm going to leave the link in the comment section. You just click on the link, they will take you to where you're going to see like the instructions, and you do the needful. That is the good news for this week. And my birthday is in 3 days and I don't have any plan. Actually, I'm not expecting anything from anyone. I'm getting older and it scares me every time I add another year. It scares me a lot. I feel like there's a lot of things that I haven't done, and I feel like I've put myself in this box. I don't let my wings out to give myself space to fly. I feel like I've put myself in a box and there's a lot of things to do, and I'm getting old. I need to do something. So my birthday is on 26th of June 2026. I actually wrote my birthday wish list. I just want money, you guys. I want money because I have like a bunch of things I need to do, but I don't have money. If I'm to get gifts, I need money. I need a camera, my first ever camera, because I've never had a camera before. Flowers, like a movie date, maybe by myself, my co-workers or someone. Let's go, you guys. I'm going to clean the house. Before I do all this, I need to go and get my breakfast. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the post notification. You'll be notified when I upload a new video. So let's go.
So besties, as I clean, let's stop. Sometimes I feel like this job is God's way of preparing me to be a wife one day. Think about it: cleaning, laundry, ironing, organizing, cooking, taking care of a home. I do these things every single day. Before coming to Abu Dhabi, I didn't know half of these things I know now. I have learned patience, responsibility, time management, and how to keep a home running smoothly. But let me me be clear, being a wife is more than just cleaning and cooking. A good marriage needs love, respect, teamwork, communication, and support from both partners. But still, I won't lie, this job has taught me valuable life skills that I know will help me in my future home. So whenever I'm folding clothes, scrubbing floors, or ironing mountains of laundry, I sometimes laugh and think, God, I hope you're training me for something good. Anyways, that's my thought for today. What do you think, besties? Do you believe some jobs prepare us for our future seasons in life or no? Please comment down below in the comment section. Please share your thoughts.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
After cleaning, I came to the kitchen to have my breakfast. I'm having toasted bread with cheese. That's what I'm going to be having, and green tea. And besties, it's time to unbox. As you're going to see, guys, I tried my best. I really did a good job, but I was trying to do it and I did it wrong. Again, I started from the start, but I did it at the end, as you are going to see in the video.
If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Right now, I'm going to be putting the button on my boss's abaya. There's one button missing, so I'm going to be fixing it. By the way, we have a machine here. We have a sewing machine. My boss bought it. It is electric, but I don't know how to use it. I think I should try and learn.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Besties, we are going to the laundry. It's 2 p.m. Let's go. Guys, the laundry is there at the petrol station. It's not far away. It's there. I think it's like 5 or 8 minutes away from home. Uganda. Besties, we just got our laundry. The one I took yesterday, they have already finished. So I brought this and I left the other one there. So right now I'm home. I'm already home. I've already reached home, guys. Let me first park the car and I talk to you. I'm going to end this vlog here because I don't want my vlogs to be that long. 10 to 15 minutes is enough. So I've reached home. I found a black guy from Nigeria. I've been seeing him every time I go there, but he has never asked me where I come from or my name. I have a thing, like, is it just me or we are many? Every time I see a black person, I can say hi, hello, and then I end there. But if we don't like continue with the conversation, I will not continue because I don't know why, but that's how I am. So I've been seeing this person. He has been working there for quite some time, but he has never, we greet each other like hello, hello, but he has never asked me like what's your name or where do you come from. So today he asked me, where do you come from? I told him, but I forgot to ask him his name. He asked for my name. I told him. I need to change, you guys. Like, that's how people make friends. And when I see someone that looks like me, I should start a conversation, but sometimes I be like, what should I say? Anyways, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Subscribe, share with your friends, tell them to subscribe, and don't forget to like this video. If you like this video, of course YouTube is going to recommend it to a lot of people, and when a lot of people watches the video, that's how I'm going to get paid for doing content. Yeah, and don't forget to comment down below each or any part of the video, any of your favorite part in this video. Please comment down below and tell me, or if there is anything you want me to change, please comment down below and tell me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.